Welcome back. All right, it's never too late to improve your health. Our next guests have 30 locations to help you do just that. And by focusing on preventing and managing chronic disease and providing access to care for patients, that's what they do. And Marcus Williams is with Island Doctors. Good to see you.
Thank you for having me here today.
Good to see you, man. It's a pleasure to have you on, and this is exciting. You guys have 32 locations today.
32 locations today, but by next Monday, we will have opened our 33rd office off of Merrill Road in Arlington.
33 locations. And so talk about how Island Doctors differs from other primary care doctors out there.
Well, Island Doctors differs from other primary care offices being that we primarily focus on people in retirement age, those people that are 65 and older. But not only that, we have a health improvement model. And what that means is that we treat preventatively instead of treating reactively.
Nice. All right. That's good. Get ahead of it.
Get ahead of it. Yes, sir.
Get ahead of it. And so what additional services, since you guys said you focus on seniors, what additional services do you provide?
Well, we have a health improvement program that we think is designed for everybody. Dr. Hemmon actually founded a diet about 20 years ago called the Triangle Diet, in which he originally used on his diabetic and hypertensive patients. But after 5 years into it, he found that most of his patients were having so much success controlling their conditions with diet and exercise alone, go figure, that he would introduce it to everybody that comes into his office. So, you know, that is part of the mainstay of our program, the Triangle Diet. But it really just helps to complement our two core philosophies. Number one, that it's never too late to improve upon your health. But number two, that our patients are going to take pride in doing the things that they love rather than being in the hospital.
I love that. I love the approach of talking about the food and the substances you put in your body preventatively instead of waiting to take pills afterwards.
Exactly.
I like that. All right, so let's talk about obviously the question on when you say doctors, you say medical clinics, anything. The first question is insurance. So for those out there, what insurances do you guys take?
Currently, right now, we just got out of the Medicare open enrollment period, and we were basically trying to help people that wanted to get into a Medicare Advantage plan into the program during that time. But give us a call. It might not be too late to get into the January 2018 program under one of these services with Humana. So just give us a call on our 800 number. We'd like to guide you through a personal tour through one of our 33 facilities.
There you go. And let's talk about the cost of Medicare with Island Doctors.
Well, traditional Medicare, kind of like we alluded to earlier, Uncle Sam pays for 80% of those who have Medicare,
right?
80% of their medical bills. So you're still left with an additional 20%. But with the Medicare Advantage programs, particularly the one that Island Doctors uses for its services through Humana, some of our patients, well, most of our patients on those programs, they don't have any kind of copays or any kind of premiums for primary care visits to our office. Now, what is special about that is not only do we take care of the aches and the pains and the bruises and strains, but we also have a very proactive heart disease program in which we're looking at 3 conditions that exacerbate heart disease or the risk of heart attacks and strokes every day, which is hypertension, diabetes, and actually cholesterol management. So once you do simple things to control those risk factors, hypertension, diabetes, and cholesterol, you eliminate the risk for heart attacks and strokes. And people actually live longer, they live healthier lives, and they stay at the hospital.
That's right. Yeah, I love that. You guys carrying through the preventative message throughout the entire process there.
Exactly.
Let's talk about, for folks out there who want to come check out one of your 33 locations, but you guys have some events from time to time, right?
Yes, we have events, I would say, every day, every week. But specifically, we are launching our 33rd office, the Arlington office, which is off of 8011 Merrill Road in the Walmart Supercenter out there. We would like to invite the public out next Monday, which will be the 18th, from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. to kind of get to know us, kind of get to know our provider who's going to be out there, Dr. George Sadowski, and get to know our philosophy of care. And for coming out, we have a special surprise gift for you.
Oh yeah, you got a little gift basket for everybody?
Exactly. The
Nice.
Island Doctors Triangle Diet gift basket will be giving to those who RSVP to let us know that they're coming and come on out for a personal tour of our facility.
I love it. Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Well, there you go. You got the information. We appreciate Island Doctors for for providing this content. And for more information, you can call them toll-free at 877-434-4676. You can also log on to their website, which is islanddoctors.com. Remember, if you schedule a tour at one of their 33 offices on Monday, starting that way, in the state in the month of December, you'll receive a free health improvement gift basket.